Yes, now we're living. By the east side, we're living. Hey, Ahuba and the Boba. Ahuba and the Boba. Yeah, Ahuba and the Boba. Ahuba and the Boba. Yeah, Bodaba, 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 Bodaba. Yeah, Bodaba, 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 Bodaba. Ahuba and the Boba. Yeah, Ahuba and the Boba. Ahuba and the Boba. Yeah, Ahuba and the Boba. Bodaba, Bodaba, Bodaba. If you not drink, you're gonna slow down. If you not drink, if you what? You're gonna die. Hold on, level. Stand by. I want to hear everybody say this part. That's not the truth. I like that. If you drink, if you not drink, if you drink, if you not drink. I think, can I do a happy birthday on this chord, right? I want to say happy birthday to the one and only Noob. I want to say happy birthday to Marla. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Trisha, it's your birthday? Happy birthday, Trisha. It's a lot of birthdays. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, happy birthday to you. Yeah, happy birthday to you. Yeah, we wish you many more. Yeah, we wish you many more. Yeah, we wish you many more. Happy birthday to you. Hey, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. illegal. Tiger gotta go. He gotta go. Please move your car. Move your car. You gotta move your car. Tiger needs to go. We got how much more minutes? We got about 4 more songs. Ready? Yeah. All right. I got you, Bob. I got you. This is the jump. This is the jump. Whatever the way it's gone. This is how I make the man drop. Hey, hobo, banana go. Hobo, people go. Hobo, banana go. Hey, hobo, banana go. Hey, hobo, banana go. Hey, hobo, people go. Hobo, banana go. Hey, Suso. Hey, Suso. Hey, hey, banana man. I hear a banana man. Hey, banana man. I hear a banana man. Hey, banana man. I hear a banana man. Hey, banana man. Hey, a banana man. Hey, hobo. Hey, hobo, people go. Hobo, banana go. Hobo, people go. Hey, hobo, banana go. Hey, hobo, banana go. Hobo, banana go. Hobo, banana go. Hey, banana man. I hear a banana man. 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 You have to rock it. When you feel it. After you feel it, you have to eat it. You have to rock it. Then you feel it. After you feel it, you have to eat it. Hobo, hey, hobo, people the go. Hobo, banana go. Hobo, people the go. Hey, hobo, hey, hobo, people the go. Hey, hobo, banana go. We got 2 man. God bless you. 2 man. Young Chris, you ready? Stay with him. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Donora. I know that you can't do anything. I know that you can't do anything. Where you gonna put her? Where you gonna hide her? In her what? There's kids out here. Where you gonna put her? Where you gonna hide her? Where you gonna put her? Where you gonna hide her, Lionel? Where you gonna put her? Again, let's go. Hey, Donora. I know that you can't do anything. I know that you can't do anything. Hey, China with it. Hey, China with it. Hey, China with it. Hey, China with it. China with it. China with it. Donora. they get tired and they complain in here, you know. If you park wrong, please move your vehicle. If you park in the driveway, please move your vehicle. It's a black truck that's just parked right there. Nobody cannot move. Please move your vehicle. All right? Please move your vehicle.
You're right, sister. Joan and Shemane. They fight off a Joan.
All right,
Ladies and gentlemen, they are fighting over Joan. Riga, they are fighting over Joan.
Uncle Tito. I got you.
Joan, they fight off a Joan. Hold on. This guy is fighting over Joan. That he they fight over Joan.
No.
Clear it up. Clear it up.
No. So me and my lead boy come to an agreement.
All right.
Me and he got Joan. Any other man will shoot them.
Well, Tiny B said, let the league out John Loan. Let alone. Where's that Chicago?
for over what, 30 years? He been in the game over 30 years. Gooey, are you in the building, Gooey?
Where's Gooey?
Yeah. We got Gooey in the building. We gotta give this man his flowers now. All right? That is one thing about me. I will give my living legends their flowers while they're alive, not when they're dead. Make some noise for Gooey, you guys. That's what's good. Hold on. All right, you guys gotta move your cars, please. Move your cars. Hold on, Chris, hold on. Please, you guys move your vehicles. If you guys don't move your vehicles, we're gonna stop. So please, if you guys are blocking, I see people moving now. Gooey. Yeah, we got about 10 more minutes, you know, so can you lock it up? Yeah. Let's go, Gooey.
Gooey, you playing guitar or I'm staying here? You playing guitar or I'm staying here? No? Okay.
He's singing.
All right.
Thank you. Tristan, come here. All right, we got about 2 or 3 more songs because 8:30 will lock off, right? But it look like we got a little extra 20 minutes. But please, if you guys are parking, Dad, move your vehicle. All right, I got you.
We'll go to Tristan.
Hey, Pep.
Oh no,
That's the one. Who is Pep?
that the connects.
Where Tristan? All right,
Look, you see what they balling for? Tristan, pull up. I don't know where Tristan got.
R.I.P. Kevin.
Let's do it.
What song you do?
He said,
Tristan, pull up. All right. We have the Belizean and Smart Enterprises Day 1, Belize Fest 2024 at Prince Hall. That is September 8th. Gooey, Mr. Clean, Tiny V, Method, King Rancho, and Harrington Trap. Make sure to come.
I think that
Prince Hall. Let's go by. Bad thing. We got a couple more minutes, you guys. Thank you guys for coming out. Real talk. We're gonna do this every year. And I hope you guys clean up after yourself. Put everything in the trash can. This is Alberton Band Appreciation Concert. Every year I will do this. Let's go. One drop. We don't want no drama. Yeah, we don't want no drama. And then ask him, who's your daddy? Ask your mother. We don't want no drama. We don't want no drama. Shut up, ask your mother. Who's your father? Ask your mother.
Who's your father?
Yeah, we don't want no drama. Yeah, we don't want no drama. Saito, this is the last one.
Got a banger here.
All right, I got a couple of stickers to give out. And then I got a shirt to give out too. I think I'll give out a shirt. All right. Young Chris, you ready? Let's go do it. Let's go.